Imagine you have a problem where you need to transform a flat list of account balances into a hierarchical account tree based on unique codes. This task can be quite challenging, especially if you're not sure where to start. The goal is to sum the amount out correctly for each level, code type in code, and add it as an account tree in the subaccounts array. So, let's delve into the solution provided. The JavaScript code snippet tackles the problem efficiently. It iterates over the account balances array, reducing it to generate the desired hierarchical structure. By finding existing nodes based on ID and code type, we're creating new ones if they don't exist. It successfully sums up the amount out values. Finally, it organizes the accounts in the subaccounts property as needed. Continuing with the solution, the CSS part simply adjusts the console display for better readability. It ensures that the output is easily viewable and allows for a clear representation of the hierarchical account tree created from the flat list of account balances. In summary, we've explored a clever JavaScript solution to the problem of transforming flat account balances into a hierarchical account tree. The code efficiently organizes the data, sums up the amounts accurately, and creates the desired hierarchical structure. Hopefully, this explanation helps you tackle similar challenges in your projects. Remember, stay curious, keep coding, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. Who knows, you might just be the next coding wizard in town.